Welcome everyone, my name is Nanika. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It means absolute world for me. So today look is gonna be a pink purple cut crease funky eye look. If you want to know how I get this look, please keep on watching. So for that, I first moisturize my face using Olay Night Cream. It's a very thick moisturizer, great for dry skin people. Now for primer, I am going for a Wet n Wild matte primer because I want my skin to look matte this time. Now I am using foundation from Wet n Wild, and first I will dot that all over my skin, and then I will spread it using my fingers, and I will then buff it using brush. In this way I will get more coverage. So this is my usual technique to apply foundation. I will do my brows off camera and I'll be back. Now I am concealing my dark circles using Colorescence HD foundation stick in the shade Natural Brown, and then I am using this concealer from Wet n Wild and focusing only on the high points of my face, and then blending using a brush, and then setting it using the Lakme Rose Powder. So I am here lightly dusting all over my face and focusing the most of the powder on my under eyes, so if there is any fallout, the powder will catch on it. Now I'm using Makeup Revolution shade, and I'm using the pink color that is middle of it, and I'm using this to put it all over my crease, but not below my crease because I have to cut crease afterwards. So I'm only blending on my crease side of both of my eyes, and I will blend it until I get the high intensity, and then I will go on my lower lash line as well, same with my other eyes. So it's a great party look. You can wear it normally at any parties, and it is very easy to create just using two eyeshadows. Now I'm taking a clean blending brush and blending all the edges so there is no harsh look. Now I'm taking a flat shader brush and using the same concealer to cut my crease. So what I am doing here is that first I am dotting all the edges till where I want my cut crease, and then joining it. So this way I will get a more sharp cut crease look. And even if you are not fully perfect in this, you can do this easily by using this method. And take time to cut your crease nicely, so get a sharp edgy look. Now I will be taking the SF5 Beauty Killer palette, and I'll be taking this purple shade and applying all over my eyelid where I cut my crease. After that I will be dusting all the excess powder from my face, and then taking the pink shade, and I will be smudging my lower lash line, and then taking a blending brush to blend it. I'm curling my lashes and then putting on mascara from Maybelline, that is Hypercurl Mascara, on my upper and lower lashes. Next I am using Sivana Ultra Blush palette. I'm taking the contouring shade to contour my face and nose, and it has like 6 shades of blushes, 1 contour shade and 1 highlighter, great for beginners as well as affordable. Now I'm taking the pinky shade to put blush on my cheeks, and taking the highlighter shade to highlight my brow bone, inner corners with a sponge tip applicator, and then I'm taking a brush to highlight rest of my face. Lastly, I am setting my face using Wet n Wild setting spray and absorbing excess using a beauty blender. And for lipstick, I'll be using Beauty People Sheer Lipstick in the shade 408. You can get the link in the description box of the site. So to tone down the lipstick color, I'm using a loose powder from Lakme. You can use any loose powder that you have. This will make your lipstick matte. And coming to the hairs, I will make a half hair bun. Now I will wear my hoops, and that's it. I have completed my look. If you like this look, please subscribe to my channel. It means absolute world for me. And also comment and let me know what you like in this look, and also like and share my video. Thank you for watching, and I'll be again with a brand new video next time. Till then, take care. Bye.